Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. We will learn how to fix app crashing on Android. Apps may crash due to outdated versions, corrupted cache, or insufficient system resources. First, restart your Android phone to refresh the system. Next, update the app that crashes by going to the Google Play Store, searching for the app, and tapping Update if available. If the app still crashes, clear the app cache by going to Settings, Apps, and selecting the app that crashes. Scroll down, go to Storage, and tap on Clear Cache. If needed, tap Clear Data to reset the app settings, but note that this may remove saved data. Also, check the system for updates by going to Settings and scrolling down to Software Update. This option may vary depending on your device model. If an update is available, install it. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the app that crashes from the Play Store. That's it. We just learned how to troubleshoot crashing apps on Android by updating the app, clearing cache, and reinstalling if necessary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.